Kirti from Tenet Technetronics. Now let us see the demonstration of Cloud 9 IDE and Gate 1 terminal on Beaglebone using Angstrom OS. For this demonstration, I am using Beaglebone revision A3 along with a SD card having Angstrom OS, mini USB cable to power up the board and Ethernet cable. In order to log in to Angstrom console, enter this shell command. Then press enter. Login as a root. Type ifconfig. To know Ethernet address, type this Ethernet address to point to the home page of Beaglebone. Once you type the network address, you enter into the home page of Beaglebone. With the same network address, type the port number as 3000 to enter into the Cloud9 IDE. Now let us check the demo examples. Click on BlinkLED.js. This is a program of BlinkLED.js. In this program, we are blinking two LEDs. One LED is connected to the third pin of expansion connector and another one is user LED. Let us run the program by clicking this run button. After running BlinkLED.js, LED which is connected to pin number 3 and user LED 3 are toggling. Hence, using this Cloud9 IDE, you can develop applications on Beaglebone using JavaScript. In order to access Gate 1 terminal, make sure that you have Chrome installed in your PC. Go to Applications, Internet, click on Chromium web browser, type your network address https and enter. Click on proceed anyway. This is a console of Gate 1 terminal. Then enter as a root. Now enter PS. Type this command to list the Python scripts. Hence, using this Gate 1 terminal, you can develop any applications on Beaglebone. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, visit our website www.tenettech.com.